Imagine waking up to the sparkle of the Adriatic Sea, in a city where sunsets set the pace and life slows down. A place where every moment becomes a memory. A place where a simple cup of coffee becomes a window into its history. Imagine waking up where the spirit of the cast whispers through the rocky hills and the wind carries stories of resilience. Imagine waking up in Trieste, a city to connect with nature, a place to embrace culture, to live a lifestyle that's truly one of a kind. Invest in Trieste. Find your dream home with Rigatti Group.